think I'm even better than she is. Don't tell her that. This is what we pack in our backpacks. First, clothes. We always use packing cubes because it makes it so easier. They come in different colours so we can always see whose is whose. Mine are pink. So cliche. In this little cube I unpack swimmers and pyjamas and undies. Is that rude to say? Then a big one for all my clothes. We always pack a fleece because planes can be cold. My mum and dad make us wear matching tops so they don't lose us on travel days. Team colours. After our clothes, our next important thing is our activity packs. I take this pack out on the plane. I can take it out for dinner. I can take it to the beach. I bring these on the plane too because the aeroplanes one always fall out. There is a few important things and you should never, ever forget to put in your backpack. Number 1, water bottle. Number 2, baby wipes. Number 3, anti-bac spray. Number 4, eye mask. Number 5, special teddy. We're only allowed to bring 1 teddy because Daddy says keeping track of 3 children and 3 teddies is enough. And this is how I pack my backpack. Ta-da! Thank you for watching.